I dare you to unleash your inner queen. You were created to shine and reign, but when life unravels, we often forget who and what we are. I'm Dr. Shante Haynes, and a few years ago, I felt like I was flying in the air without an airplane. COVID hit and my life was turned upside down. I was going through a devastating divorce. The rug had been pulled out from under me. After 36 years, I was hiding in the shadows and heartbroken. In addition to the divorce, my children had moved out. I was a new empty nester. And I lost my job as a theology professor since we were not meeting in person. To say that I was struggling with an identity crisis is an understatement. My crown was not even on. I sat in God's waiting room and reflected on all that I had accomplished. The credentials told one story, and the crisis that I endured, they backed them up. I still had a message and a ministry to serve others, and I was not going to allow the dash between my birth and my death to be in vain. Queen rising. Today, I empower women just like you to adjust your crown and unleash your inner queen. See, I fight for those waiting to hear, experience, and transform because queens like you show up authentically with what God has placed on the inside of you. Being a queen means that you confidently live life to the fullest, not playing small. Whether you're transitioning through a devastating loss of divorce or the death of a loved one, a job change, or moving intentionally toward fulfilling a dream, adjust your crown and walk with your head held high like a queen. See, if you're going to unleash your inner queen, you must reframe your story, reinvent yourself, and reimagine your future. I encourage you to find those who want you to shine, those who will allow you to be the queen that you are. Time freedom, financial freedom, and a fulfilling life. My plane has landed, and yours will too. The sky's the limit, and the benefits are out of this world. Go ahead, queen. Put on your crown and unleash your inner queen.